You're afraid of heights now? Caitlyn, do that shake again. Are you acting?
No. It's just real. Help me. Rescue me.
What can I do for you?
To save me before I fall into the volcano.
That's a volcano? Oh no. What happens when the volcano... Is it dormant or active?
Active.
Really?
If I fall into hot lava, I might get burned by it.
That would be really bad.
If it erupts on the inside, the hot lava might blow me up.
It might be.
If it blows me up, it makes me nice. If it makes me hot, like it, I might get burned by it.
You might. That's not a good thing. You want me to rescue you?
Yeah.
I would say scoot back this way. Oh, that's good. Hey, are you safe now?
So the volcano's on. It's going to erupt.
What happens if you go back over there? You were so scared, you were shaking. I saw you.
A waterfall.
A waterfall too? Oh my.
There's a waterfall. I'm gonna go better. I better keep an eye on it.
You better. What happens in a waterfall?
If you fall into it and it float away into a water volcano, I might fall into another volcano.
The waterfall goes to a volcano? Wow, is that...
A lava volcano under the water.
Oh, how are you gonna get saved?
I can swim back this way, but I can swim here, that way.
Yeah.
I need a diving suit.
A diving suit?
I'm ready.
Okay.
On a count of 3, let's count down to 1 with me. Count down at 1 to me. 3, 2,
1.
Blast off.
Blast off.
I'm afraid of...
Are you afraid again?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. But you have your diving suit on.
You need to help me dive underwater.
Yeah, I like those new boots.
You need to help me dive underwater.
Underwater? Is that down there, the water?
Yeah.
Is that a raging torrent? Is that what it's called? What do you call a raging river? Is it dangerous? Yeah.
You need to help me dive underwater before the hello shoots out and get me.
Oh no, are you gonna go? Do you want me to help you count?
No.
Are you gonna jump on 3?
1, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
You need to help me dive underwater.
I need to help you. Okay, ready? You can't dive, you know, right? No head first, only feet first. Ready? Whoosh! Nice job!
You want to do a nice job. This arrow is going to fall into the volcano.
Oh no! What kind of animal?
I'm not afraid this time.
Wow! You did a twist and a jump at the same time.
Did you see that?
I did see that. You're awesome at that.
I'm the one that rescued back the fall off.
Your rescue pack? Is that like Diego's rescue pack?
My rescue badge.
Oh, your rescue badge.
I just fell right on my bum.
On your what?
My tush.
Yeah, you fell on your tush? Is that your caboose? Is that what Mama calls it?
Yeah. I could jump way up with my wings. These are my super wings.
Super spring shoes? That's awesome.